Those discussions in Durban will wrap up in a few days. Deal or no deal, many people feel governments around the world must take action to stop climate change. And that means creating technologies that help reduce carbon emissions. One small factory in Tokyo is doing its part. It's marketing a new, cleaner fuel source. Let's take a look.
A company that uses the technology is located in a Tokyo metropolitan area. It has adopted a private power generating system in order to save electricity used in the building's showrooms and offices. This is the electric generator. Use of this new type of fuel called hydrogen-oxygen gas can reportedly cut electricity costs, but can also drastically reduce carbon dioxide emissions.
We aim to cut down on CO2 by introducing this generator in all 9 of our buildings.
Japan Techno developed it. The firm is based in Tokyo. Ryushin Omasa, the president, has 22 employees. Its core product is the super vibration agitator used for plating. When water is decomposed by an electric current using this agitator, many tiny bubbles made up of oxygen and hydrogen are generated. Omasa wondered whether this gas could be used as a fuel. Because there's oxygen, it's possible to burn without air, and there will be no CO2 emissions. Professor Masahiko Tsuchiya of Tokyo Metropolitan University is currently working on the structural analysis of this gas. It burns when oxygen and hydrogen react, and a chain reaction usually sets off an explosion. With hydrogen-oxygen gas, however, as there are many clusters of water molecules, they prevent the chain reaction.
Since it prevents the chain reaction explosion of oxygen and hydrogen, this gas is promising as an extremely stable fuel.
Along with hydrogen-oxygen gas, another next-generation clean energy is the fuel cell with hydrogen gas as the energy source. Many automakers are now striving to develop it. Cars using this energy are now under development. But they still face the high cost of the container used to hold the hydrogen. It could be very dangerous if a leak occurred. Now, experiments are being conducted to use hydrogen-oxygen gas as fuel that can be treated safely. In a study done this year with Tokyo University of Marine Science and Technology, the research team succeeded in making a car that runs on fuel made from a 50% hydrogen-oxygen gas combination and LP gas.
Comfort, engine sound, and vibration are all considered, and cars running on this fuel seem equal compared to gasoline-powered cars.
Although the power drops when accelerating, there is no problem in a normal drive. And what's more, a 25% cut in CO2 will become possible. If car engines that run completely on hydrogen-oxygen gas can be developed in the future, then zero-emission cars will no longer be a dream.
The fact that the raw material is just water, which people can obtain all around the world, is a great advantage.
Great expectations are pinned on the tiny bubbles generated from water.
All right, let's take a look at some of the latest market figures now.